you go, Gerard.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Very good, thank you.
Good. You got a good bread for my croque monsieur?
Your pleasure. Here you go.
Oh, good. Beautiful. I don't want it sliced, huh?
Yep.
This one, not sliced, huh? It's not sliced?
Not sliced, 1 day old.
Oh, perfect.
Right.
Okay, I'll buy it. How much?
$2, thanks.
Oh, very good. Okay, thank you.
Pleasure.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Gerard, the French chef. Welcome to all the new subscribers. It's so exciting to meet so many new people from all around the world. Welcome to the community, and I hope you enjoy the French cooking. I have presented 40 videos so far, and how did I miss the famous Croque Monsieur and Croque Madame? Today I will be preparing the famous ham and cheese toast sandwich, so popular in every bistro and cafe venue in France and in Paris. Alors, to cook this famous Croque Monsieur, we're going to start by the famous sauce Bechamel with milk, butter, flour, eggs, and cheese. That's all, with seasoning, a little bit of nutmeg and white pepper because it's a white sauce, and salt. Okay, the first thing to do, we're going to make bechamel. So let's melt butter, 25 grams of butter. When the butter is melted, we can add the flour, 25 grams of flour in once. You cook the roux until you obtain a blonde color and a nutty taste. And then you add the milk. The milk has to be cold. Okay, you see, you mix, make a little paste. Now we can add the whole milk, all done. Okay, during this time, you grated the nutmeg. Very nice, that smells beautiful. Put a little bit of white pepper, not black pepper, not black, it's a white sauce, remember? And a bit of salt. I always put in my hand, they give me an idea, okay? And also the steam goes inside, so it is blocked. So I put in my hand, away from the flame, from the heat. Now the bechamel is beautiful. You obtain a beautiful texture. What you're going to do, going to put some cheese. And that was the bechamel. Now, by adding cheese and egg, our bechamel is called sauce Mornay. Beautiful texture. Nice. Okay, now we're going to let the bechamel cool down. Now what we have to do, we have our Mornay ready there, all cool down. So we're going to do the croque monsieur. For that, I buy a bread. Try to get the square bread. Don't slice in advance, because when you cut the slice, we want to get roughly 1.5 centimeters. Okay? Right, so first one, 1 centimeters, 1.5. Right, we got your nice toast. So next operation, we're going to toast the bread. Well, now we got our beautiful toast. Next thing to do, we're going to butter our toast. Nice, that be giving a nice flavor. Second operation, after you butter the toast, we add the Mornay on each toast. Okay, doc. Now you use a little palette. When you got your Mornay, now with the palette, you spray everywhere, just around the croque monsieur, right to the corner. The reason is you don't want to burn the bread on the corner. Easy job. As you can see, we cover with the bechamel that we call now Mornay because we put some cheese in it. And you know, it's not too liquid. We don't want liquid at all actually because it'll be running everywhere. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add the ham. 2 slabs of ham with a little bit of Dijon mustard to give a nice flavor. Okay, good. A little bit of Dijon mustard. And now we're going to put the cheese. Like that, fold. Good, we're going to put the cheese. Okay, now we are finished with the cheese. Easy. We put the second toast, croque monsieur, and you can even add a little bit more bechamel or Mornay, I should say. Good. Now we're ready. And the last thing to do, during this time, remember you got your oven at 250 degrees. And then you can put some grated cheese on the croque monsieur. So I always use my gloves like that with the COVID and all these germs, and no problem. We got a beautiful croque monsieur ready to cook. Now let's put that in the oven. Okay. Okay, now we got this beautiful croque monsieur. Look at this. Inside just melting nicely. And on one of them, we're going to put the eggs to transform in croque madame. We are just frying an egg to put on the croque monsieur in a minute. During this time, I'll be cutting the croque monsieur and doing a presentation. Here is the croque madame with an egg on top. Here's the croque madame. Yummy. Look at this. All decorated nicely with parsley. Now we have a beautiful croque monsieur. And we're going to try it, see how it tastes like. I'm going to try. Oh, that's crispy. Oh, nice. It may be very hot. I have to be careful. That is absolutely beautiful. You got this combination between ham, the cheese, the mustard, the toast, and this delicious Mornay. And on top of it, these little baby gherkins, they are beautiful. I recommend it. Okay? I think you can do it. If you have a question, just ask on my side. I'll be quite happy to help you. But for me, it's quite an easy dish to do. Alright? Talk to you soon in the next video and have a good weekend.